Hello everyone to all of my friends who are watching right now. If you're watching right now, then definitely I will be playing your favorite song. So we will sing it right now. This is really one of my favorite song. I miss all of you, and I know that you miss me too. So this is my song. Let me play it right now.
You the light, you the
I'm eating for some
night,
eating.
you the color of my blood. You the thrill, you the pain, you the only thing I wanna touch. Never knew that I could mean so much, so much. You the fear, I don't care, 'cause I never been so high. Follow me
To the top,
let me take you past your
the lights. Never knew we
where
were
you go
to life, to life. Come on, sing it with me. So love me like you do, love me like you do, love me like you do, love me like you do.
Touch me like you do,
Touch me like you do.
What are you waiting for?
For
So
love me like you do, love me like you do, love me like you do.
love me like you do. Touch me like you do. Touch me like you do. What are you waiting for?
Oh yeah, you like it? One more time, another song.
Isn't a song for the broken hearted.
Silent tear for the faith departed.
And I ain't gonna be just a face in the crowd. You're gonna hear my
Voice when I shout it out loud. It's my life, it's now or never.
But I ain't gonna live forever. I just want to lie.
Alive. Come on, sing it with me.
It's my life.
My life is like an open highway.
Like Frankie said, I
Did it my way. I just wanna lie, alive. I'm singing it.
It's my life.
It's now or never. I ain't gonna live forever.
I just want to lie my life.
Alive.
It's my life. My heart is like an
An open highway.
Like Frankie said, I did it
My way. I just wanna lie, alive.
It's
My life. Come on, let's eat one more song. They said, oh my God, I heard the way you shine. Take your hand, my dear, and place them both in mine. You know you stopped me dead while I was passing by. And now I beg to see you dance just one more time. Oh, I see you every time. No, I like your smile. You make me wanna cry. And I beg to see you judge me one more time. So let's go dance for me, dance for me, dance for me, oh, oh. I know and see everybody could be that you before. Move for me, move for me, move for me, yeah. And now I'm back, so I need you again. Natapa, 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 oh, oh. I never seen anybody good thing to do before. They say, papalaya, palaya, palaya, eh. Now I'm good, I never meet all again. Oh, eh. Oh my god, I'm just singing my favorite song. This is for all of you. So that's it. I'll be singing it once again for you. This is my favorite song. This is a song for the broken highway. No silent tears for the fake departed. And I'm gonna face in the crowd, you're gonna hear my voice when I shout it out loud. Of my life, it's now or never. I ain't gonna live forever. I just wanna lie, lie.
It's my life, my heart is like an open highway. Like Frankie said, I did it my way. I just want to lie, I lie, alive. It's
My life, it's now or never. But I ain't gonna live forever. I just wanna lie, alive, alive.
It's my life, my heart is like an
Open highway.
Like Frankie said, I
Did it my way.
I just want to lie,
Alive, alive.
It's
My life. Okay, there you go. There you go. Thank you very much for listening with my song right now. So this is going to be our Watch in a Box. Everyone, if you're listening right now, we have a Watch in a Box. So you need to know what's in the box. Okay, all you need to do is just to answer it. The first one, you can have a 200 load right now. I'll be giving 200 load so that all of you can have a load. Oh my goodness. Yes, yes, yes. And this is it, my guys. This is it. You need to, the mechanics of the game is, all you need to do is just to share it to your family and share it to your friends who are watching right now, who are watching the box, okay? So this is going to be our Watch in a Box. I have a box. So you need to answer Watch in a Box. The first one will have something 200 load for you. Me like you do, love me like you do, love me like you do, love me like you do. Touch me like you do, touch me like you do. What are you waiting for? Watch in the box, you have to know the clue is inside the box is food. It's a food, okay? Oh my god, it's a food. All you need to do is to answer what food is in the box. You need to answer it right now. Come on, my baby. Oh, Ryan. Oh my god, my friend Ryan from General Santos City is answering chapati. It's a food. It's a food, like you can buy it on what do you call it, in a store. Yeah, it's a food. Oh, I just want to send regards from my friend. It's Ryan Monroyd, all the way from General Santos City. Thank you for watching. You need to, if you're answering it, you need to share my video. I just want to say hi from Anne and your kids. Oh my god, it's very fantastic that you're watching in my video right now, Mr. Ryan. Oh my god, you need to answer it. Banana, you're. Oh my god, that's not. It's a food like what's inside is food. Oh my god, Dico Santos is my friend watching right now all the way from my pro. Oh my god, my pro family, thank you. Samosa, chapati, aloo gobi, like that. And you're eating like samosa. One of my favorite, of course, when I'm eating in India, my favorite foods are samosa, chapati, and I also eat ball gogi. Love me like you do. Love me like you do. Love me like you. Answer it right now. Watch in the box. Touch me like you do. Touch me like you do. What are you waiting for? Junk food or junk food shout out. This is what we call a small size only. It's a small size only, and you can eat it right away because you can buy it on a store. Tomato sauce. Oh my god. Chocolate. Poji bar. You need to, if you're answering it right now. Oh, thank you very much, my pro family. Thank you for watching. See you tomorrow, my friend. Okay, another song for us. We will sing it. Snowberry and pineapple. Ketchup. Oh my god, it's ketchup. Skyflakes. Come on, answer it.
Prayer for the faint.
Come on. Yoyin, thank you for watching. Fries. Kimchi, Eureka, thank you.
You're gonna
Hear my voice when you shout it out loud. It's my life, it's now or never. But I ain't gonna live forever. I just wanna lie alive. Yeah. It's my life, my heart is like an open highway. Candy, answering Candy. Colleen Okba, thank you. Paul Buron, answering it right now. It's very blue. It's my life, it's now or never. But I gotta live forever. I just wanna lie alive. It's my life. Open highway. Oh, karon pa ko naka-open oh. The clue is a food. You can buy it on a store. India, not Indian food. It's not an Indian food. That's one of my favorite song. Okay. So there you go. There's a lot of people watching it right now on YouTube. Sandaru Satsara is my friend. Oh, thank you, my friend. Oh my God, I hate the way you smile. Take your hand, my dear, and place them both in mine. You know you stopped me dead while I was passing by. And now I'm back to see you dance just one more time. See you every time. Come on, answer it. Watching from South Korea, thank you. Very fresh from Monaco. Shout out from Australia, thank you. Green peas. Skyflakes. Dance for me. Oh. I never seen anybody do things to do before. They say, move for me, yeah. And now I all again. Natapan, no. Super crunch. Cloud9, answering Cloud9, peace much. Shout out from Marty, thank you very much. Shout out my pro family, thank you. Rico Santos, thank you very much. My friend, thank you. See you tomorrow. Magic Syrup. Thank you, Dragon Seed and Grapes. Oh my God, they're watching right now. My friend from what we call another song. The song that I like it the most, the first one. Super Crunch watching from UAE. Thank you very much. Capital C. Kissy chocolate. You're the bright, you're the color of my blood. You're the kid,
You the pain, you the only thing
I wanna touch. Never knew that we could mean so much. So much.
You the fear.
It's a food Chilapi or Ella is watching. Thank you, Ella. Follow me to the dark. Let me take you past our satellites. You can see the world you brought to life. Oh, lemon lollipop to life. Come on, sing it with me one more time. So love me like you do. Love me like you do. Love me like you do. The jelly is like you do. Touch me like you do. Touch me like you do. What are you waiting for? The clue of this is a food. This is a food. This is you can buy it on a store. Yeah, Lemon Square. Oh, what happened? Love me like you do. Touch me like you do. Sliced bread.
Touch me like
Clue. The first letter is letter C. The first letter is letter C. Oh, that's the clue. It's a food. You can buy it on a store. Yes, the store is selling it. Yes, the store is selling it right now for I think right now it's 5 pesos or 7 pesos. Letter C. Chips. Oh my God. Corn beef. Super crunch. Super steak. Kusaba. Oh my God. It's letter C. Cupcake. Lollipop. Oh my God. That's not a lollipop. Chips Ahoy. Oh my God. Cupcake. Crunchy. Chippy. Softy. Oh my God. Cloud 9. Oh my God, that's wrong. Carl cheese. Chlorine. You eat chlorine, that's not good. You're poisoning yourself. Oh my God, that's bloody disgusting. Crunch cheese. Choppy. I like choppy. Love me like you do. Love me like you do. Chippy. Oh, answer it right now. My God, there is something flying.
What are you waiting for? So love me like you do. Love me like you do.
Love me like you do.
Love me like you do. Touch me like you do. Touch me like you do. What are you waiting for?
Answering right now is answering. Oh my God, condom. Do you eat condom? That's not good. Chonky. Maisie, I miss you, Maisie. Thank you for watching, my friend. Maisie, knock. Mitchell, Cornix, Mona, Cheese, Fabi, Cartoon, Pet, Departed, Candies. You're answering Candies, Cheese, Cereal, Cram Stick. When you shout it out, cheese it, add in cheese. It's now or never, but I ain't gonna live forever. Candy, condom, na condom. Chicharon. Oh, that's wrong. Chicharon, it's wrong. Shout out from Coronado City, Ramel Maternal. Thank you. Pebby, a chestic. Malin is cram cheese. Call cheese from Pronjin. Oh my God. Cell phone, thank you. Clover chips, Mariana. Celine, bravo. Carton, thank you. Clover chips, how much the letter? How much the letter? How much the letter or how many the letter? Oh, 2, 4, 6, 7, 8. 2, 4, 6, 8, 9. Oh, 9 letter. It's a 9 letter. Hello, Mommy Amelita, Enoferio Hamura family. Thank you for watching. My family there. Just send my regards, sir. Hamura family. Thank you. Choco Crunch, Caribbean. Yeah, this one is really a fantastic kind of food. They're eating it. It's very nice. Oh my god. I'm telling you that if you answer it, you have 200 load. Cotton candy, clover. Oh my god, you're not answering it right now. Lob, thank you for watching. Chat it. Cheese it. Oh my god. Exopori, shout out. John Biolosis, thank you very much. Pebby, thank you. From Carmen Jollibee, shout out. Crockett, Rachel, Pepe, Chairs Cake, Cheryl Oak, Larry, Ferrarin, Kosaba, Cake, Cloud9. Shout out Tayo Diluan, Cebu, Mairo, Bayan, Quiapo, thank you for watching. Clorox, oh my god, it's Calatrava, Negros Occidental, thank you. Chutney, chutney, you're eating chutney, I think you're eating Indian food. Caribbean, hail, thank you. Ikai, thank you very much. Nak, Shagyev Solis, Patrias, Love, thank you. Choco Crunch, Cloud9, Coco Crunch, Karai Fish, Chashit. Tata, touch me like you do. What are you waiting for? So love me like cheddar, chess cake. Shout out from Cherilyn Goyo family, Colin Okba. Cheese 9. Cheese 9. Cod fish, cheddar cheese, chocolate, Coco Crunch, Janie's Coco Crunch, cornflakes, Chess Carl, Candle. Oh my god, my brother. My brother is Sandaru Sachara. He is really a fantastic guy. So helping him to make more music because it's very good. Cornflakes, that's what cornflakes. Called cheese. Shout out from Seagull Mountain Resort. Thank you. I'm sure it's Toblerone from Grace. Oh my god. Toblerone, sweet choco, cream stick, chicharron. Me one more time. Oh, I see you every time. Shout out from Izamis Badera. Thank you. Captain said thank you very much. Cream stick, Dora box. What Dora box? It's a food. My goodness. Century tuna, croquette, chicken. For me, dance for me. Oh. And always seen anybody good things to do before. They say, more for me, more for me, more for me. Hey. Another clue, it's a food. It's something with sweetness. Crockling Cheetos. Shout out, thank you very much. Oh, we have a lot of friends, thank you. Yay! All again. Oh, there's a lot of friends watching right now and they're sharing our video. Thank you very much. Oh, a shout out from Gonzaga family. Shout out from Isabella. Thank you very much. What is this? Thank you very much. Corn chip, curly top chocolate, cheese roll. I don't know. It's my life. It's my life. Okay, one more time. It's my life. We'll sing It's My Life. Oh, where is it? Cigarette. Oh, chess ring. Cream cheese or cream pie. This is a song for the broken hearted. Come on. No silent prayer for the faith departed. I'm gonna leave in the crowd. Gonna hear my song when I shout it out loud. Clover, it's my life. It's now or never. But I ain't gonna live forever. Cauliflower. Love you, idol. Thank you. I love you too. And another clue. It's a food. It's something is rectangle. Chocolate popcorn. Tea it super crunch. Mozzarella cheese. Oh my god, corn chip. It's my life. It's now or never. But I ain't gonna live forever. I just wanna lie alive. It's my life. Boy bawa. Open highway.
Like Frankie said, I
Did it my way. I just want to lie alive. Very nuts. Pizza. Skyplex. Oh my god, it's not Skyplex. I think that's not true. That's adding cheese, corn sweet, cheese dog, Cadbury, Skyplex. They say, oh my god, I hate the way you smile.
take your hand, my dear,
And there's me one more mine.
You know you
With
stole
me,
me.
all real beings passing by. And now I'm back to see you dance just one more time. Oh, I see you every time. Oh, Cloud9,
I know my
Coconuts, I like your style.
you
Make me wanna cry.
now I beg to
Please dance with me one more time. Toblerone, thank you.
dance
Dance for me, oh. I never seen anybody good things to do before. They say, move for me, yeah.
And when you're done, I'll make you do it all again.
Oh, Cookie Bite Choco Tops, okay. No one answering the Choco Bar. Choco, shouted from Dubai, Laham Tech, thank you. Magic Flakes, Coco Crunch. What, two words, it's two words. Call it up. Magic Flakes, Cloud9, Corn Chips. Oh my god, it's nothing. I'm answering. I'm opening it right now. If you don't know the answer, okay. So we'll just post once again the music. Okay. I told you that this is something that we are buying to the store. It's something like a rectangle, and it's very cheesy, and I like it. It's really cheesy, and it's sweet, and I think it's only 5 to 10 pesos only. Churchill, Notify Jelly S, Catty, beverage from Paul Alba, Kit Kat, butter coconut, naps. Oh my god, tamarind. Shouted from Larayan, the Peter City Mauru. Thank you for watching. Cremo, Messi, Paji Bur, Theoms. At Chips Ahoy by Rachel, and Reza is answering chess role. Comboplex, Toblerone from Gina Molo. Wafer, I like it. Cheese curls, oh my god, it's really nearer to the right answer right now. Call cheese, buttercup, Chowi Choco. Oh yes, thank you very much for watching, everyone. Yes, I'll be revealing it right now, the right answer. So do you want to see it right now? Oh my mommy Ging Mayor, thank you. Campo Mayor family, and Marlon Solis family, thank you. The Bernards, Carl cheese, Kembak, Pagis, Clover chips, Carl cheese. Shashit. it's sweet corn, butterscotch, butter coconut, called cheese, Livita, thank you for watching. Clue is Jansabion. The clue is you can buy it on a store for only I think 5 to 10 pesos only, and it's very cheesy and it's something very sweet, and we're eating it when we're a child because when we're we're going to the places and we're playing outside the backyard, we are, oh my god, we are eating this because this is part of Kaanak ko, nako, di nga po kumatagaan, Messi. Oh my god. My friend is already a preggy and outburst the baby, but she cannot answer it right now. Call cheese bread, or cheese stick, oh. Yeah, answer it right now. It's what we call cheese. Jessa Toledo, thank you. Cornflakes. I told you the clue is something very cheesy. So the word is already there. You need just to have the combination. It's a two word. Yeah, lumpia Shanghai cheeseburger. Carly top. Lumpia Shanghai. Oh my god, everyone you're watching right now, I'm selling Edin cheese for only 150, and if you want to really try it, I will try it for you. Choco Top pretzel. I'm also eating up cheese right now, it's very delicious. Oh my god, Rainbow Edin cheese. Cheese nut. Cheese steak. Rainbow start with letter C. I tell you, letter C. Cracker, cheese bar, cheese stick, Erin cheese. I told you to start with letter C. Cheese, cheese stick, corn chips, cheese ball, Shanghai, Agent, oh, my friend, Agent, Edin is watching, Edin Amelia. I love you, thank you for watching. Chestnut, dairy cream, Edin cheese, coconut bar, cheese roll. I'm opening it right now. Okay, I will be opening it. Cornick, cheese on chips. What do you call that? Cheese it. Edin cheese. Cream cheese. I will sing once again my favorite song, Cheese Bar. Edin cheese, jelly is, cheese roll, cheese, cheese whiz, cheese whiz, cheese bond. Oh, Chinese cheese flavor, chippy, cheese flavor, cheese nut.
Never knew that I
Could be in so much. Mahuman na lang si Is, wadyo ko nakahula. Cheese design. Cheese roll. Corn chips. To the top. Got cheese. Cheese tisal. Popcorn. Cheesecake. Cheese whiz. Cocoa. Cheese Chinese. Thank you. Cheese it. So love me like you do, 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 touch me like you do, touch me like you do. Waiting for cheese marks. What is that? Electric fan, cheese sandwich. Super crunch, cheese powder, cheddar, cheese ahoy, like you do, Mr. Chips, Touch me like you do. What are you waiting for? Cheese lâu. Cheese lâu. Oh my God, cheese pie. That's good. Cheese roll, chips ahoy, cell phone, cheese bread, cheese ball, chips ahoy, cheese hopia, chips ahoy, cheese it, cold chips, grill creme. You're gonna hear my words when I shout it out loud. It's my life, it's now or never. And I ain't gonna live forever. I just wanna alive. Cream bar or cornflakes? Richie? Open highway. Mosta, thank you, Nerus. Oh, I have a lot of French fries, Michelle. Oh my God, my friend. I just want to say hi to Anne Monroe watching right now. Oi, Marge, how are you? It's been a long time. If I go to General Santos, please forgive me. I want to eat in your restaurant. Oh my God, my friend Ryan Monroe and Monroe family is watching. Thank you. I will go to General Santos and tell me what to eat. Because I know that's very delicious to eat in your restaurant. I will go there. Oh, Anne Monroe is my friend, my March when I was in Jensen, and Ryan Monroe is the very workaholic and handsome man. That's my friend. It's idolize that person. And very beautiful aunt. Thank you for watching. Say hello to your kids. It's cheese. Oh, hello, watching from Cagayan, Annalyn, Ter, Tabangan. Thank you. Cookies and cream. Cheese bar. Hansel. Oh my God. Cheese waffles. Cheesecake. Oh my God. Cheesecake. Cassava chips. Rachel. Thank you. Cream roll. Chocolate chip. Cake bites. Oh my God. Cake bites. Choco cheese. I'm opening it right now. Okay. So that you will know the answer. 200 peso load. I'm giving away 200 peso load right now for you. Safari, cupcake, cold cheese, clover chips. It starts with letter C. Cheese roll, cold cheese. It's very cheesy and it's not very floppy and sweet. Cheese it, combos. Alive, cheesy. Noda crunch, chest ring. Oh no. Oh my God, you're not answering it very good. Chest till, eyeliner, pencil. Oh my God, cheesy, it's a food. I'm telling you, it's a food. You need to answer the food. Daisy, oh my God, I hate the way you shine. My dear, and take it one more time. You know you stopped me dead while I was passing by. And now I beg to see you dance just one more time. Oh, I see you every time. Chase it, crispy crunch, cheese cake, and error. Thank you for answering cheese pop, Colleen. Coated bar, Catty, and Anne is calorie mate. Cheese pie, Cloud 9. Dance for me. Oh, corn chips, koi, chase it, Ocelito, Mirandi, Nickelodeon, Galang, and Colin Okba. Cheese pop, Carl cheese. Oh, no one is answering it better. G Margarita, thank you very much. Candy, cheese note, chuchu cake, rich, chuchu cake, lemon pie, cheese curl. My Tita Venus watching. Gina Cotted. Marshmallow, cream cheese, cheese it, cream pop, cheese it. Oh, letter C. Cereal, Scoiplex. Oh, Choconut. No one answering it. I'm opening it right now and no one answered it. Very good. Cheese. Choco stick. Oh, no one answering. Cheapy. Start with letter C. For the broken hearted. Cream custard. Bhaji por. Cheese ball. Caramel. Cheese custard. Cheese roll. Okay, I'm opening it right now to the winner. Congratulations. Winners, congratulations. You have 200 load. I'm giving it to you. So the answer of our watch in the box, it's here. I will giving 200 pesos of load for you. 200 peso load for you. I will send it to you because you answered it correctly. So our winners, congratulations. This is it. This is it. I will open it. This is it. Corn cheese, cocoa butter, corn cheese. Oh my god. Carl cheese. The answer is here. Oh, no one's answering it right. That's not good. Here's the answer. Cheese bar. Oh my god, it's cheese bar. Cheese bar is the right answer. Congratulations to the winner. Cheese bar, cheese bar. Oh, thank you. Congratulations, winner. You will receive 200 peso load. It's cheese bar. Cheese bar, cheese bar. Congratulations. Thank you for watching.